Hello all, it is Monday 6th of the 11th 2017, about 6:45. Very dark outside in the UK. You can really feel that winter coming in, or working its way towards there. Summer feels like a very long time ago. But anyway, I hope you're doing wicked. Um, just sort of give a little update, little record of what I've been up to of late. So first of all, the screen. Actually, on Sunday, that being yesterday, I was out sailing with one of my buddies on the Solent. Very fortunate in that his cousin actually has a couple of boats and has one that she's letting us kind of get a bit more used to. We did actually sail. Obviously, the sails aren't up there, but yeah, that was us just leaving. You can see over here. This is in Portsmouth, so you can see us. We were just leaving the marina here, and you can see just down here that's the Spinnaker Tower. And yeah, we had a great sail. A few learning lessons. We got caught out by the tide and couldn't get back in. We were literally stationary with the engines moving. But hey, it's all part of the fun, isn't it? Anyway, so that's the sailing side of things. What else have I been up to? Yeah, I went out for a colleague of mine's 20th birthday on Friday. That was pretty cool. Not 20th birthday, sorry, 20th anniversary. He's definitely not 20. At being at the firm. So yeah, that was quite cool. Had a fair few drinks and that was wicked. Yeah, what else have I had going on? I finally got my inland revenue thing submitted. Let me just check this here. Hang on, I had some notes here. Yeah, I finally got my inland revenue self-assessment submitted. Now the self-assessment itself was very simple, but the process was a bloody nightmare. I mentioned it before, but I managed to get it submitted by sending it off manually. So if you're having issues with, particularly with CGT, capital gains tax, that is, just get them on the phone and tell them you want to send it in, because it's a lot easier. On the other side of things, my side projects, I made a little bit of tweak to one of my Facebook marketing campaigns, which is out at the moment. So I'm very much testing an idea at the moment. So I've got a lead page sitting there and I'm trying to get traffic to kind of get to it, which is happening, and it's not converting, but it's all part of the process. It's, you have to sit there with it and then tweak it and change it and whatever. So I've been kind of moving that along. What I'm finding here is actually it's quite interesting, because this is like a side project. Obviously, it's not my main job, and there seems to be quite a lot of work to getting it to a point whereby you can get it out to market, kind of, well, whatever it is. You start interacting with the public and asking them what they think, whether it be a test or whatever. But it's quite a lot until that point, and then it kind of, you sit back and you're like, okay, what are they up to now? But for me, that's not a problem. The minute that happens, I get on with something else, which is pretty cool. But I quite like that. It's kind of like as I'm doing these campaigns, and obviously what I'm running them against will be bigger and bigger over time. And theoretically more profitable over time. It'll be quite good to be able to kind of just set one off and let that stimulate some money. Anyway, that's the dream. Anyway, so that's been going on. What else? Yeah, all this kind of this stuff I've been doing, like working, the remote side stuff, the trading, the match betting, all of it. It's wicked because I can do it anywhere, and I'm constantly using coffee shops and cafes, and Waitrose is a favourite of mine, and I just love it. I love the flexibility of it. Just to, I know it's quite cliche going to a coffee shop and working on your business or whatever crap you want to call it, whatever project you want to call it. But yeah, for me, I like it because it's free, and Anyway, the other one I like is I've got on the mobile phone, I can just tether my laptop to the phone as well. So that's when I'm feeling really liquid. I can just, yeah. In fact, I did it in the car the other day. I had to put, sounds terrible, doesn't it? But I had to put a bet on for something when I was leaving sailing. And I had my laptop there and I just logged on, sorted it out, went on my drive. So that's that. Now, going on to the trading stuff. Trading side of things, woo, yeah. So trading has not been going well for me this year. Might mean it's never been going well for me, but I have been looking at some numbers. Now, what I'm going to show you here may make you, well, it makes me wince, but it might make you feel better. That is my equity curve for 27. It's a bloody joke. Equity curve for 2017, which is a perfect inverted, well, a perfect inverse of what you want to see. I can't believe how beautiful it is, but just the wrong bloody way. So there's obviously something significantly going wrong with what I'm up to at the moment. Now I'm looking at the numbers here. Well, ignore the numbers. I've had 2 winning months out of the 10 so far. The wins are nowhere near as bad as the losses. I mean, this is on a month by month basis. You can see the number of trades I had in here. I haven't drawn much out of this yet. You can see my biggest month was when I had the least amount of trades, but then my second most positive month was 11, which is one of my most. So yeah, I'm wondering how I'm going to get this information out of that, but it is something I want to, I'm working towards. So I think I'm just going to do bit by bit. Maybe each time I do this weekly insight, I'll try and we've still got a few more to the end of the year, a couple more to the end, probably 4 more to the end of the year. That being because I'm bound to miss some. Like I'm in Finland. No, I'm not in Finland next week. I'm in Finland next weekend, but I'm not. I'm back on the Monday. Back on the Sunday even. Christ knows, don't ever listen to me. But yeah, that's what I got to turn around. I mean, it's quite amusing, isn't it? Doing a trading blog and showing that as your equity curve. Yeah, but hey, I'm here to tell the whole truth. Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, right? That's my that is my job in society with Showboating Trader. If anyone's got any thoughts on how I can pivot Showboating Trader into like Showboating Entrepreneur, or I don't know, something different, because it's not just about, I don't want it to be just about trading really. It's about everything I'm interested in. There's the yawn. Every weekly insight. On final day, then I start talking and exerting this energy, and then as I say, I am tired. I was at sea all day yesterday, and that starts to kill you. But yeah, so that's massively interesting in a negative way, but there's a negative, there's a positive. So I need to drill down into that a little bit more. Maybe I can work out which strategies not been going great, or at least work out which one has been doing better. I'm using kind of 4. Woo! Shoot! 4 at the moment. Yeah, anyway, so that's something definitely to work on. At the moment, I've got no trades over. I hit basically 10% down, and I kind of thought that's enough for me for last week, so I didn't trade last week. I am considering not trading for the rest of the year, but then I also know what I'm like. I mean, at least if I do a whole year's worth of data, I'll have a whole year's worth of data. It's not that I'm not interested in what I'm saying, I'm actually really interested in what I'm saying. I think it's because I'm a bit tired, and then when I start exerting this energy, going, because I don't actually walk around all day going, actually, in some of it, sometimes I do. But anyway, I haven't got too much more to say. We can have a quick look at a couple of charts. So we can have a look at the US 30 still bull. It's awesome. I had a trailing trade on there, trend continuation trade, and it was running really quite nicely, but got wicked out. So I think I have a feeling I'm going to try and focus more on just trend continuation. I know I've said that a couple of times, but the kind of reversals don't work so well for me at the moment. I'm also considering lowering my risk. But anyway, there's US 30, UK 100. Now, you see, I was short this. This is the last time I got hammered out. I was short this and got pulled out here on the way down. So it had rolled over reasonably well. Things were looking quite nice, actually, at one point. And then back it went. Standard, textbook. I don't know why I expected anything else, really. Oil still charging away, is it? Oh, Christ. Now, So yeah, now you're feeling my pain, my trading pain. So I was in a trend continuation pattern on this on the 4 hour, and I got taken out about here. So I got some of this gain here, got taken out here, and then this is just gone whoosh. So that would have been good. But I mean, that does show that there's, in the right way of trading it, that would work. Um, and silver, bum, 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 bum. Yeah, so silver, I'm just keeping an eye on. 4 hours, not really the time frame for silver. And yeah, I'm just keeping an eye on that really. Obviously, I got some silver ETFs, so I'm just keeping an eye on it to see how that goes. But it's nice to see a big bullish candle like that. I don't know if some news has come out or whatever. But that, along with cryptos, let's have a quick look at those. So I still haven't diversified my cryptos because I'm a naughty boy, which has been a shame because I did at one point try and buy some Bitcoin. That's gone through the roof, but I didn't have the funds, or rather, the funds went on something else. So, yeah, Ethereum's. I'm starting wondering if Ethereum's run out of steam because it hasn't made it over that $300 in a while. But I don't know who wants to guess with it. That stuff. But the guy I was saying with yesterday, Ed, he was asking me about cryptos and trading them, and yeah, it's an interesting concept, isn't it? Apparently, some of the banks open up desks trading cryptos. So he was saying, like, I don't follow the news stuff so much, but yeah, interesting because it hasn't really got any definitive purpose yet. But yeah, we'll keep our eyes on that. Anyway, I'm going to leave you there. Don't know how much trading I'm going to do this week, but you know, if I see it, I will. That's the problem. So it will be there. Haven't seen anything I like at the moment. Tuesday, what we got? This is high impact news. Woo! Sorry, I still love you. So some Euro stuff, CAD stuff. On Tuesday. What is that? Is that the Mexican? Interesting. Anyway, I'll look that up. Saturday, there's some stuff going out on the Euro, so maybe don't leave any Euro trades open. But anyway, I'm going to leave you there. Hopefully it wasn't too long, 12 minutes. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I'd love to hear from you. Give it a like if you liked it. Give it a hate if you hated it. Yeah, if you hate it, just hit the angry button. Or leave some like trolling comments or something. So I've got a blood blister in my mouth. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try and shut up. I get a bit like this. Anyway, I love you lots. Hope you're all having fun. Yeah, let me know how your trading's going. Let me know how your business stuff's going. I'd love to hear all that. So keep it real. Have fun. Live the dream.